So this is my first pizza out of that Cuisinart 3-in-1 that cooks the pizzas. Worked out pretty good. Probably more flour on that one, but there's crust came in pretty good. It cooks up kind of thick. You can only get so big of a pizza in there. This is my second pizza in there. Give it a little peek. I'm thinking it's going to cook up a little bit quicker. The temperature was a little bit higher this time around. But I'll show you this pizza when it comes out. Should look fantastic, taste fantastic. It's just, I usually cook them in the oven on a baking steel. Crust is just right on the bottom, melted just right on the top, bubbly, crusty edges. So you get more return actually out of the oven way than you do out of the grill. Because I got the same amount of dough, but it just makes it like a breadier pizza. You say, well, you can cut down on the dough. Well, I could, but it's just not a real big pizza. So, I mean, Cuisinart's cooking it up pretty good. And you can see my temperature is probably maxed out as far as the heat's gonna go on the pizza. So this one will probably take about 4 to 5 minutes. My last one took 6 to 7. The temperature was a little bit lower. And we'll pull this one out and check it out. I expect the bottom to be good and crusty and the top be bubbly and melty. But yeah, I could work with it, but really in the end I feel like it's a lot of mess for less return, because with this I got to do the flour and the cornmeal, slide it off the peel. And I know some people will say, oh, I can do that easy, or once you get experienced it's not a big thing. Pushing in this size pizza in and out when I can get, you know, a pizza probably 75% bigger in and out of my oven with the same results, same crispy crust. Yeah, there might be an element of smoke or grill flavor to it, but yeah, I don't know. So now we're kicking up to about, yeah, the full temp. I think the last one it was only registering between 500 and 600, so that's about oven temp with a steel or a stone. But let's take a, we can lose a little bit of heat. Let's take a little peek at the top down of my second one at a higher temperature. So yeah, that's cooking along, bubbling. But I think I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes, or maybe a minute or two. And then we'll get that on the pull out. All right, let's get it. Look at that thing. Popping off, bubbling. All right, let's get it in the house, get it cut. All right, let's take a little peek at that crust on the underside. Well, if it's not too hot. Ooh, burning my finger just a little bit. I know they get a little bit numb over the years of restaurant catering, but look at that. Awesome. Let's do a little crunch test. Let's see where we at. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to let go to cut this one. All right, we one-handed it today with the camera, so had to let it go. All right. Look at that. Whew. All right, we'll see y'all later. Gonna enjoy. Probably hit it with some hot sauce or some Calabrian chilies.